Are you tired of chaotic workflows? Meet Wrike, the ultimate solution for various teams seeking efficiency. Wrike empowers marketing, business, and product operations teams. It accelerates approvals and enhances collaboration across departments. With templates and automation, standardize your processes effortlessly. For product management, Wrike delivers end-to-end support. Centralize your work and communications by designing a unique workspace with custom fields and workflows. Marketing and creative teams thrive with Wrike. Manage projects, campaigns, and assets from a single platform. Streamline requests while visualizing your results, plans, and workloads. Professional services teams can organize multiple projects and clients easily. Wrike creates a single source of truth. Track billable hours, monitor budgets, and handle resource allocation seamlessly. Project managers benefit immensely too. Wrike provides tools to align strategy and OKRs with project execution. Visualize progress and standardize processes efficiently. Lastly, IT and engineering teams enhance their operations with Wrike. Streamline and manage service requests to deliver work faster than ever. Maintain continuous momentum and efficiency. In summary, Wrike is your go-to platform for diverse teams. Boost collaboration, streamline workflows, and deliver projects effectively. Ready to take your team's productivity to the next level? Start leveraging Wrike today.